Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, Mrs. I want to completing text number 2 of tugas besar 2 for from English for Computer 1. I will be review a journal with title and performance of lookup in cloud stack infrastructure. I will be insert this journal at submission for the you can review also. Okay, this and in introduction, CloudStack can provide dashboard for high compatible storage, then computer networking, load balancer, image management, and identity management. Okay, in implementation, system has three major entities such as data file uploading, storage, and file retrieval. When a file is uploaded over the cloud server, then our algorithm organizes them in a tree structure and fetches the data efficiently by using quantify search similarity algorithm. And there will be I have a conclusion. The cloud stack can provide dashboard for compatible high storage computer network and balancing. Cloud computing is widely used in distribution in global environment and mobile computing environment. Data center are an essential part of cloud computing. If the users need data, they send a search request to the cloud server and the file can be retrieved by calculating the keyword match search method. The management server can manage virtual instance, database, networks, and server application. Virtual web is created for data owner and provider login and validates data user details in JavaScript, and Servlet and GSP can be used in the server side. Uh, Finding and retrieving relevant data from the cloud is one of the main challenges in the cloud computing scenario. Here an ingest algorithm for searching and retrieving data is introduced using a quantified similarity search method. Automatically generate result according to the relevance of files stored on the cloud server. It is ensured that the proposed system retrieved highly relevant data for more efficient search with compromise of privacy. And in my opinion, infrastructure cloud stack method must provide a dashboard for compatible high storage, computer, network, image management, and others. This infrastructure is very much needed sophistication and speed because the cloud computing system is widely used in distribution in the global environment and mobile computing environment, and the data center will become an important part of cloud computing. Why? Because in a single data center, generally thousands of virtual servers are running at any time, accommodating multiple tasks, and simultaneously the cloud system arrive in a collection of task requests. Cloud computing is internet computing with the ability to share resources such as hardware, software, storage, network, server on demand, and dynamically. But most IT people don't pay attention to one point. Here there is a management server which function to manage a virtual instance, database, network, and server application. Virtual web is created for data owner and provider login and validates data user detail in JavaScript, and servlet and JSP can be used in the server side. .NET Bean for development environment with Java framework. In the implementation of the system has three main entities such as uploading data file, storing and retrieving file. Data looping is prevented for similar hashes, which efficiently takes care of memory capacity. Finding and retrieving relevant data from the cloud is one of the main challenge in the cloud computing scenario. Here, an in-cache algorithm for searching and retrieving data is introduced using the quantified similarity search method. Okay, this is my opinion. Thank you so much for your attention. I'm sorry if I have mistakes. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, Mrs.